Welcome to Best Quality Reviews. Top 10 Best Indoor Tankless Natural Gas Water Heater in 2021. Top 1. Bosch C1210 ESNG 225,000 British Thermal Units Natural Gas Indoor Condensing Tankless Water Heater. Country of origin, China. Model number, C1210 ESNG. Item package dimensions, 18.0 inches LX 18.0 inches WX 21.0 inches H. Item package weight, 3.01 pounds, 1 pounds. Top 2. A.O. Smith Tankless Water Heater Non-Condensing Indoor 190,000 British Thermal Units Natural Gas. Width inches, March 4, 13. Height inches, January 4, 20. Color finish, white beige. Brand, A.O. Smith. Weight lbs, 38. See more product details. Top 3. Rinnai RU199 and RU199 and RU199 and natural gas /11 GPM. Up to 11 GPM hot water flow rate, varies by groundwater temp. CircLogic technology allows you to set recirculation patterns that coincide with your typical habits. Hot water is available when you need it. Residential factory warranty, 120 months, heat exchanger, 12 months, labor, 60 months, parts. See more product details. Top 4. Rinnai RU98 in Ultra Series Indoor Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, Twin Pipe. Indoor installation only. Fuel type, natural gas. Concentric or PVC venting option. Up to 0.96 energy factor, up to 0.92 uniform energy factor. The space-saving design allows indoor installation type. Ultra-low NOx emissions. 199,000 max British thermal unit. Top 5. Rheem RTG H95 DVLN 9.5 GPM Indoor Direct Vent Tankless Natural Gas Water Heater. 94% energy efficient with stainless steel condensing heat exchanger. Intelligent electronic controls designed to increase energy efficiency and safety. Third-party efficiency listed by AHRI. Up to 38 feet of 3-inch PVC pipe or 5 feet of 2-inch PVC pipe. Low NOx version. Top 6. Noritz EZTR40 NG 40 gallons tank replacement indoor tankless water heater 6.6 GPM, standard vent, natural gas. Endless hot water. Direct replacement for existing 40 gallons tank water heater. High efficiency. Low NOx. Top 7. Takagi TH3 DVN Condensing High Efficiency Natural Gas Indoor Tankless Water Heater, 10 gallon per minute, 199,000 British Thermal Units. Endless hot water, on-demand usage, compact, space-saving, energy conservation. Computerized safety features, no pilot light to have to worry about. Safety features include freeze, overheat, surge protection, and troubleshooting diagnostic codes. Satisfies the 2012 SCAQMD Rule 1146.2 for ultra-low NOx emissions. Primary heat exchanger utilizes commercial-grade copper alloy for 25 times better heat transfer than stainless steel. Integrated controls and power cord as standard features. See more product details. Top 8. Rinnai Indoor Tankless Hot Water Heater /RL75 a natural gas /7.5 GPM. Pattern name, heater. Comes standard with MC91-1 US digital controller with error code indicator. 82% thermal efficiency. Residential temperature settings, 98 degrees Fahrenheit-140 degrees Fahrenheit. Commercial temperature settings, 98 degrees Fahrenheit - 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Commercial controller must be purchased separately. Top 9. Noritz NRC66 DVNG Indoor Condensing Direct Tankless Hot Water Heater, 6.6 GPM, natural gas. Endless hot water. Can be vented with Schedule 40 PVC pipe and fitting. High efficiency. Low NOx. Remote thermostat and 6-feet power cord included. Top 10. Easy Ultra HE Natural Gas Indoor Condensing Tankless Water Heater, Digital Display, Whole Home. Condensing Technology. The Easy Ultra HE uses exhaust gas to preheat incoming water for added efficiency. This heater can be vented horizontally or vertically using 2-inch solid core Schedule 40 PVC. Backdraft prevention device and stainless steel horizontal vent pipe are included. Capacity up to 3.4 GPM at 45 Fahrenheit rise in ambient temperature. Free shipping. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.